So, first question: the solid which undergoes sublimation. Naphthenic balls. Okay, I want to ask one more question. Here, which compound is written? What is its chemical formula? Yes, it's a common salt, NaCl. Wonderful. And which type of compound is it? Is it covalent compound or ionic compound? Ionic compound. How you have found?
Metal with non-metal.
It contains a metal and a non-metal. Right? Cation and ion नहीं बोलेंगे, metal and non-metal. This is potassium chloride formula. Which type of compound? Ionic compound. Which type of compound? Potassium. Confuse हो गए सिद्धार्थ. राइट मेटल है, ये नॉन मेटल है. पोटेशियम 19 पर आता है 2881. दिस इज 287. ठीक है, तो ये 1 है तो ये मेटल है, ये 7 है तो ये नॉन मेटल है. पूरी हिस्ट्री निकाल लिया करो उसकी. पीछे से जो स्क्रैच से सिखाया हुआ है वो सब कुछ फिगर आउट हो जाना चाहिए. A pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom and cannot be broken down into two or more simpler substances by physical or chemical means, that is known as element. Element को ना ही physical ना ही chemical method से आप separate कर सकते हैं. The atomic symbol for silver is A. Wonderful. SI is silicon. Online students के लिए sulfur, gold and silver. इसको precision बोलते हैं. Which of the following is not a liquid gas aerosol? Yes. Smoke. Huh? Smoke. Got it? Moving to next. So we have question number 18. Is it visible to online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The mass number of an element is sum of electrons and protons.
The number of protons and neutrons.
Wonderful. Online students, what is your say on this?
Ma'am, the sum of protons and
The
neutrons.
sum of protons and neutrons.
Yes, the sum of protons and neutrons. What is the formula for sodium sulfide? Na2S. Na plus S2 minus gives you Na2S. Which of the following is an example of homogeneous mixture?
Cement dissolved in water.
Who will tell me the attributes for the homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture की
Particle less
क्या
than 1 nanometer.
No, it's not like that. Uniformly mixed. Wonderful. No visible boundaries and uniformly mixed. ठीक है? Homogeneous mixture कौन से mixtures होते हैं जिसमें uniform composition रहता है और कोई visible boundaries नहीं होती. Okay. So you have assertion and reason with you. So your first assertion reason says a molecule is the smallest particle of an element or compound which is capable of free existence. Is this right? No. What is the mistake here?
The molecule की जगह atom आना चाहिए.
Yes, wonderful. कि आप errors भी find out कर पा रहे हैं. An atom is the smallest particle of an element or compound which is capable of free existence. So here A is false. ठीक है, the number of atoms present in one molecule of a substance is known as atomicity. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Atomicity बोलते हैं.
True.
Yes. Is true. Assertion false, reason true. Give reason why. After your morning exercise, you feel cold. So check for your keywords. Whenever you exercise, what do you?
Release this way.
Yes. So the better word is perspiration. The better word to use is perspiration. So whenever anyone perform exercises, the person perspires, hence produces lot of sweat. And when the sweat evaporates, so what happens? Evaporation of sweat leads to what?
Cooling effect.
No. It takes away the latent heat. Yes. It takes away.
The latent heat of vaporization.
Yes, wonderful. Latent heat of vaporization precisely.
Thus taking out the cooling.
Yes. Causes?
Cooling effect.
Cooling in the surroundings.
No, in the body. Causes cooling effect. You can check out for your answer. This is give reason why 2 marks. So you need to look forward. आपको किस चीज के मिलेंगे? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्वेट, क्योंकि वो मॉर्निंग एक्सरसाइज बोल रहा है, उसने स्वेटिंग की बात कही नहीं की, तो आपको ये जरूर बताना पड़ेगा द पर्सन इज स्वेटिंग, राइट, ड्यू टू विच द इवेपोरेशन ऑफ स्वेट, व्हेन इवेपोरेशन ऑफ स्वेट टेक्स प्लेस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, टेकिंग अवे द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन एंड what is happening, causes cooling effect. Water kept in earthen pot becomes cool during summer. So more sunny the day is, more cooler the water in the earthen pot. Why?
Because the rate of
Ma'am, the earthen pot contains pores from which the water seeps out. This water, when absorbs the latent rate of vaporization from its surroundings for evaporation, makes the remaining water of earthen pot cool due to the decrease in kinetic energy of the water.
इसमें काइनेटिक एनर्जी की नीड नहीं है. समर में आप बोलेंगे ड्यूरिंग द हॉट डे ऑफ समर द रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन इज हाई एंड इट इज टेकिंग अवे द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ earthen pot, latent heat of vaporization of earthen pot, thus causes cooling effect within the earthen pot. So water kept in the earthen pot becomes cool during summer. ठीक है, छोटी छोटी चीजों का ध्यान रखेंगे. हमें बहुत टैक्टफुली आंसर करना होता है. हमें ये देखना होता है कि we should not be writing more, we should not be writing less, we should exactly be writing precisely as per the need of the question. Is this clear? अब आ जाएंगे account for the following observations. So account का क्या मतलब होता है? Give reason. ठीक है, अकाउंट का क्या मतलब, अकाउंटेबिलिटी क्या होती है? यू हैव टू गिव रीजन व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग. So when we are talking of question number 23, we have to account for the following. Naphthalene balls disappear with time. So what is happening to the naphthalene balls? They disappear with time without leaving any residue. So why does it happen?
Naphthalene balls are very volatile due to which it evaporates very quickly even in the room temperature. Thus, when left with time, it disappears.
You have written everything but you missed the आपने सब कुछ बताया बट जो बताना था वो नहीं बताया. तो इसीलिए क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट होती है? Yes, the keywords are important. So naphthalene balls disappear with time without leaving the residue. What does it indicate? ये क्या indicate करता है? Yes, it is volatile and it undergoes sublimation so that it gets converted directly from solid to
gas.
form. ठीक है, sublimation is a keyword. You need to look forward in your answer. It sublimes even at room temperature. It sublimes even at room temperature. That is why they disappear with time. Sponge, though compressible, it is a solid. So you can compress the sponge very many times. Lot of times we did this question. So sponge, although solids do not show this property of compressibility, but sponge shows this property, but still it is put in the category of solid. You need to give reason why. Yes, Ojas?
Sponge has a significant structure where it has pores or spaces between where air gets trapped. When we compress it, all the air escapes and it gets compressed.
आप बहुत कुछ लिख रहे हो बट आप कीवर्ड्स मिस आउट कर रहे हो. आप कौन से कीवर्ड्स मिस आउट कर रहे हो? बताओ, which keyword is missed out? हाँ,
लिखा है.
क्या बोला है? You have to cater to the need of compressibility. You also need to mention why it is a solid. Sponge has a compact structure due to which it has a fixed shape and fixed volume. But at the same time, it has lot of pores present into it which are filled with air. So when pressed or when compressed, air expels out and it changes its shape. ठीक है, तो आप ये चीज जरूर मेंशन करेंगे. लुक फॉरवर्ड कि वो बोल क्या रहा है. You have to tell about the compressibility. You also need to mention why it is solid. We see water droplets on the outer surface of the glass containing ice cold water. हम क्या देखते हैं, हम वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स देखते हैं ऑन द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ द ग्लास कंटेनिंग आइस कोल्ड वाटर. Yes, that happens due to condensation. अब कंडेंसेशन लिख के एक वर्ड में आंसर खत्म कर दोगे, क्या बताओगे? What is happening? Why the appearance of water droplets
Air
on the
contains water
This water vapor.
come in contact with the surface of the glass water. Due to condensation, it forms.
Let others also speak. Quiet. बोलो. You are writing in English. बोलो बोलो बोलो. नहीं बोलो. Come up with your answer.
When the air touches the cold water and it condenses.
When warm air comes in contact with cold water, it condenses, leaving water droplets on the outer surface of the glass. ठीक है? A solution contains 23 gram of salt and 100 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. So what is the formula for concentration?
Mass of solution
Mass of solute
upon mass of solution
upon mass of
solution
solution
into 100.
into 100. So what is the mass of solute? 23. Solution becomes 123 into 100. So that is 2300 upon 123, which is equal to,
18.6%.
yes, 18.6%. Write the solute and solvent present in tincture of iodine. So tincture of iodine is made up of
Vinegar.
Alcohol and iodine.
yes, iodine in alcohol. ठीक है? So which one is solute here and which one is iodine?
Iodine is solute and alcohol is solid.
Alcohol is a solvent.
Wonderful. Iodine is solute and alcohol is solvent. Wonderful, everyone. Have you done 24B part? Tell me now. Okay, now I'm giving you window to proceed ahead. First attempt on your own. List the observations and conclusions of the Rutherford model. So we have 3 observations. On the basis of those 3 observations, we have 3 conclusions. So have you done it in column form?
Yes.
जैसे आपको सिखाया गया था, observations and conclusions. Conclusions are also known as inferences. So observation 1 is yes, most of the alpha particle pass straight. Most of alpha particles passed straight. So what does it conclude? ये क्या conclude करता है?
Most of the space in an atom is empty.
Good. Mostly space is
Empty.
yes, mostly space is empty. Second observation.
Some particles are small and large angles.
Very good. Some alpha particles shows smaller and larger deflections. So what is the
There is
conclusion?
a positive center in the
Yes.
atom.
Positive charge is located in the center. Positive charge is located in the center. Very few alpha particles rebounded. Very good. Very few alpha particles,
Be rebounded back after striking the center.
yes, rebound. So what does it include?
The nucleus is
Yes. Nucleus is
dense and
hard and dense. Yes, nucleus is hard
and dense.
and dense.
हाँ, और भी confusion लिख सकते हैं.
3 ही observations थी, 3 ही conclusions थे.
हाँ, ये भी है ना, electron revolves around the nucleus.
ये रदरफोर्ड ने नहीं बताया था. This was corrected by Neil Bohr. कहाँ खोए हुए हो? अभी तो आप केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे.
नहीं, मैं बायोफिजिक्स बोल रहा केमिस्ट्री.
तो इसमें क्या कहाँ से आ गया? इतना तो आपको याद रहना चाहिए ना. कहाँ चली गई चीजें? Read the given passage and answer the questions. Read the given passage and answer the questions based on the passage. So have you all gone through the passage? How deuterium and tritium are different from each other. Deuterium and tritium both are the isotopes of hydrogen, right? Deuterium is 2H1 and tritium is 3H1. What is the difference between isotope and ions are different? Mass number and valence are different. Can we prepare a chart?
Yes.
Okay. So we have isotopes and we have isobars. So the baseline difference between the two is first difference they are of same element. Isotopes are made up of same element. And isobars are of
Different
element.
Yes, are of different elements.
Atomic numbers.
Isotopes have
Same atomic number.
Yes, they have same atomic number and they have
Different atomic number.
different atomic number. Isotopes have
Different mass number.
They have different mass number and isobars have same mass number.
Chemical properties of isotopes are same.
Very good. Chemical properties of isotopes are same because they are made up of same element. So chemical properties of isotopes are same.
The properties of isobars are different.
Chemical properties of isobars are different.
These have different physical properties. Isotopes have different physical properties.
They have
Different physical properties.
because the different mass, right? Physical properties
Are different.
of isotopes are different. Physical properties of
Similar.
isobars
Are similar.
are same. You can also give example. Can you give example? Yes. So example of isotope is 1H1, 2H1, 3H1.
H1.
Deuterium, tritium. This is protium is also known as ordinary hydrogen. This is also known as ordinary hydrogen. This is the only element without neutrons. ठीक है, ये एक ऐसा एलिमेंट होता है जिसमें न्यूट्रॉन्स प्रेजेंट नहीं होते. अब आ जाओ, हमारे पास क्या
Fluorine 37.
कैल्शियम. So argon क्या है 18, 40 and this is 20 and 40. Have different mass atomic number but same mass number. Are we clear? So if you know everything well, you can easily write these many differences. But we are, according to question, we should be writing only one or two. But here we have discussed all the differences, all the possible differences between isotopes and isobars. Is this clear? Everybody? Now, relative mass. The question is the relative mass of an element B is 16.2. You calculate the percentage of its isotope 16B8 and 18B8. So, अगर आपको परसेंटेज निकालनी है तो आप एक आइसोटोप की परसेंटेज क्या लेट करेंगे? X लेट करेंगे तो दूसरे की परसेंटेज क्या हो जाएगी? 100 माइनस हो जाएगी. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास एवरेज एटॉमिक मास कितना है? Yes, average atomic mass is A. Average A is 16.2 U. तो हम ये कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? 16.2 is equal to X upon किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 16 से 16 x into 16 upon 100 plus 18 into 100 minus x upon 100. Right? So this will turn out to be 16 point. So sorry. This will turn out to be 16.2 equals to 16x upon 100 plus 1800 minus 18x upon 100. Got it? So this will be 16.2 equals to 16x plus 1800 minus 18x upon 100. So 100 can be transposed here. So this will become 1620. When you will multiply 16.2 into 100, this will turn out to be 1620, right? And here you are having 1800 minus 2x minus 18 plus 16 will give you minus 2x, right? What do we have?
1620 minus 12.
Yes, 1620 minus 1800 equals to minus 2x. So that is equal to 180, right? Minus 180 equals to minus 2x. So x equals to 90. So x किसका परसेंटेज था आपका? किसका परसेंटेज था? 16B8 का था. तो 16B8 कितने परसेंटेज में प्रेजेंट है? 90. तो 18B8 का परसेंटेज क्या हो जाएगा?
10.
Yes. Who did this right? ये क्यों मिस आउट करो? Please write down your learning gaps. Still, if you are struggling, write down your learning gaps. सीरी एरर में मार्क्स खोए हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट लॉस्ट हो गया, मेमोरी लॉस हो गया, क्या हो गया? Do you remember the Gajni movie of Amir Khan? वो चीजें भूल जाता था. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम भी चीजें भूल जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं आज मुझे वो क्यों याद आ रहा है तुम्हें सबको देख के. क्योंकि हम एक एक चीज पता नहीं कितनी कितनी बार रिपीट करते हैं, फिर हम भूल जाते हैं. बादाम नहीं खिलाती क्या मम्मा? खिलाती है ना? बादाम भी वेस्ट कर रहे हो मम्मा के सारे. Next, write down the chemical formula for potassium sulfate. So you have K plus SO4 2 minus. So when you will cross over, what will you get? K2SO4. Who did this right? Whole class except Snowy and Yashika. जब हम एक जगह से एब्सेंट होते हैं तो वहां ड्रॉबैक आता है याशिका. या तो हम इतने अच्छे हो कि हम चीजों को कवर अप करें. Mg2 plus CO3 2 minus giving you MgCO3. ठीक है. Aluminium hydroxide. So Al3 plus OH minus AlOH whole thrice. Got it? So calculate the molecular mass of NaHCO3. इसका molecular mass बताना है तो molecule 23 for sodium, 1 for hydrogen, 6 for no 12. So I should not trust Siddharth. 12 plus 3 times 16 will be 48. Right? This makes it 24. 84 U. Why sodium ion is stable?
Because its valence shell is completely filled.
वंडरफुल. अब आप इसको लिखेंगे कैसे? देखो केमिस्ट्री में कुछ चीजें हम रिएक्शन फॉर्म में भी लिखते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Why this is completely filled, right? Why this is stable? क्या हो रहा है? हाँ? Okay. So why Na plus is stable? Na plus stable क्यों है? तो सबसे पहले आप क्या दिखाएंगे? सोडियम मेटल, ठीक है, will lose 1 electron to form सोडियम आयन. Yes or no? तो आप सोडियम मेटल की यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन which is 281. सोडियम आयन की यहाँ पे आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखेंगे which is 28. So clearly what we can say that valence shell of sodium atom is completely filled, right? Valence shell of sodium atom is completely filled. Got it or not? Understood? अब देखेंगे next question. An element X has a valency of 2. Write the chemical formula of bromide. तो X की valency 2 है, ठीक है, और bromide बनाना है तो X must be metal, क्योंकि ये non metal है, right? तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? X की valency 2, ब्रोमीन की valency 1. तो हमेशा आप क्या दिखाएंगे? X to be no X 2. राइट. नेक्स्ट आ जाएगा इसके ऑक्साइड की वैलेंसी दिखाएंगे. एक्स की वैलेंसी 2, O की वैलेंसी 2, शोइंग क्रॉसओवर XO.
वो वाले फॉर्म में नहीं कर सकते X2 plus Br minus.
नहीं नहीं, क्योंकि ये X दे रखा है, हो सकता है कि ये कोवलेंट बॉन्ड हो, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, तो इसलिए नहीं कर सकते. Give one example of a triatomic molecule. Only one example is there in the book. O3 मॉलिक्यूल बताना है, वैलेंसी नहीं बतानी. ट्राई एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल एक ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल जिसमें 3 है. अब देखो अगर सेम एटम का है तो O3, अदरवाइज अगर आप ट्राई एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल बोलोगे तो H2O भी एक ट्राई एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल है, क्योंकि इसमें कितने एटम्स हैं? 3 एटम्स हैं. CO2 भी क्या है? 3. बट प्रिसाइजली जब हम कैटेगराइज करते हैं तो हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं कि मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ सेम एटम्स, whereas compounds are made up of different atoms. compounds किसके बने होते हैं? different atoms के बने होते हैं. तो अगर आप मॉलिक्यूल की ही बात करते हो तो the safest example to give this ozone molecule, that is O3. Define polyatomic ion. polyatomic ion को हम compound ion भी बोलते हैं. हाँ. Group of charged atom बोलना. Polyatomic ion is made up of more than one type of element or atom having charge present on them. So polyatomic ions के examples क्या क्या हो जाएंगे आपके पास? जैसे कार्बोनेट आयन CO3 2 माइनस, ठीक है, जैसे आपके पास SO4 2 माइनस, राइट, जैसे आपके पास PO4 3 माइनस, ये सब
4 plus.
यस HCO3 माइनस, ये सब क्या हो जाएंगे आपके? पॉलीएटॉमिक आयन. स्टेट द लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन. लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन स्टेट करेंगे. हु हैज गिवन? Lavoisier has given law of conservation of mass. Joseph Proust had given law of constant proportion. Is this clear? तो लॉ ऑफ कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शन क्या स्टेट करता है? व्हाट डज इट स्टेट? In any compound, the elements are always present in the fixed ratio by mass. For example, water में, right? They are present in the ratio of 1:8. ठीक है? अमोनिया में नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन का रेशियो क्या होता है? 14:3. बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, अगर आप सेल्फ स्टडी नहीं करते हो तो आप फिर स्ट्रगल करेंगे. कोई आपके सामने पैरेट की तरह बोलता रहे और हम सुन सुन के चले जाएं, दैट इज